Fellow musicians, I got this email from my AI assistant telling me I should check out this job. So check it out. It says high level music producers needed to recreate Suno AI tracks perfectly. We're looking for highly skilled music producers who can take tracks generated in Suno and recreate them as polished, professional, production ready songs. The goal is not to make something similar. We need producers who can carefully rebuild the tracks as close to the original as possible while improving the quality, arrangement, sound design, instrumentation, mix, and overall production. We are hiring both EDM, pop, synth bass, cinematic dance, modern electronic production, such and such, acoustic, live instrument producers, guitar, piano, strings, drums, bass. You should be able to listen closely to a Suno reference and create the full production from scratch inside your DAW. Project scope 100 tracks, money paid 200, well, 200 per completed track, but $20,000 for the entire deal. To be honest, it's not that much when you boil it down. It's 100 tracks. It is a lot of work. But they're looking for about 4 to 5 completed tracks per month, depending on quality, speed, communication, and fit. This is not a guaranteed 100-track contract up front. We'll start with a small pay test, then move into ongoing work for the right producers. Who do you think would post something like this? It sounds like one of our friends, doesn't it? You know who our friends are. Record label owners of all types. Yeah. So, what is this telling us? It's telling us that people are creating in Suno, getting the output, and creating a artifact-free track. This is really on Upwork. This is, and I use AI assistant. So my AI agent said, "Hey Phil, this suits this suits your abilities." And I'm like, "These dirty little dogs. This is what they're up to. They're finding musicians to take the Suno output, and of course it will be attributed to the human completely. And I have nothing against that. I am just hearing some of our friends on the other end, our record label friends. Sounds like something they would do. Strong production experience with released or professional quality work, the ability to recreate music by ear, DAW scales, just the whole 9 yards. So I don't know. Would you do it? Look at the money right there. And these people aren't just bluffing or fluffing. They have spent almost $500,000. This client, if you look below, has spent almost $500,000 on Upwork. They're out of Miami, and they've spent about 16,000 hours. They've hired people for that amount. So think about that. That's like 8 years of hiring one person. So this, I think, is going to become the new normal for a lot of record labels. They're going to get ideas. They're going to work them in Suno. They're going to take them out. They're going to find pros like me, because I can sequence anything. But I'm not going to do this. Just, it's a little bit too low for me. But as far as people who are looking for gigs, just to let you know, this stuff is out there. Go find it.